it's your girl Karen. She did back again with another video. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are, welcome back, and make sure you put your notifications on every time I post a new video. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm doing another hair install. This time it's not Amazon, but it is UniceHair. Unice or Unice? Unice? I'm sorry, I'm bad with pronouncing stuff, so I apologize, but I think it's Unice. Unice. But this is what it looks like. Pretty packaging, so we're gonna get straight into this packaging and all that good stuff. So it came like this. Nice packaging. 10 out of 10. A1. Like, beautiful. So obviously the way it came in this. It came in. So the goodies that I got in this box, I was shocked. So I got a wig cap. This one is a seamless one, actually. Seamless. Look at that. Seamless. I never had a seamless. It's my first time that I'll be trying this. Yeah, it's the first time I'll be trying it, so this is it. It also came with, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a mirror. It's a mirror, and it says Unice on it. And then more goodies. So I was shocked they gave me another wig cap. Yeah, another wig cap. This one is, yeah, it's seamless. It's like a, it's almost like a stockings, basically. Love this. So I got two. A lace band. I think this is the strap one. Yeah, so the Velcro. Also, they sent me these lashes, and these lashes, sorry if my voice is raspy, but these lashes is like everything. Look at the quality. Oh my god, it's like real fluffed out and everything. Love it. Also, it came with, I thought it was a lipstick, but it came with makeup brush. So if I want to just use it on my lace. So this is the beautiful hair. I will put the deets on the screen right here so you guys can see. But this is basically, you could turn this into a glueless, you could turn it into, you could put whatchamacallit, you could put glue, whatever kind of glue you use for your wigs. But yes, it's a glueless. So it's a 13 by 4. This is a 16 inch. It's not given 16. It's given 18, 20. We're gonna see when it's on the head. But this is black roots and it's purple at the ends. And I believe this is 180% density. Or it's 150. I believe, I could be wrong. I don't know if it's my eyesight, but I think it came bleached already. I really think the knots were bleached, but for me to be like, you know, let me just go over and bleach it one more time. So I bleached the knots, as y'all can see. But I think it came bleached already. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I think it really did, but I went ahead and bleached it anyway. But we like to install it. I'm thinking about doing a glueless method because it came with this strap in the back already, which I love that. So I'm gonna just do a glueless method and see how that goes. But we about to get into this install, so enough talking and let's get straight into it, shall we? You don't care. Times I read into this is urgent. Trying to make some similar change to me, a war in my mind. Trying to let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Only on my fears, my little patience. I disappeared if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit. Gotta hold my cross to be alone. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit.
Ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta give the most in the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your baby. You don't care. I'm trying to read the news since this is urgent. Makes such a little change to me, a war in my mind. Let go, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will bring up in front of me. I don't miss no texts, they choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend it should never happen. Half of us lay in place that our youth is in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present now. Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I'm empty my shit. I should've given from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some little change to me, a war in my mind. Gotta let go, wake it, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will bring up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arms, feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good. I disappeared if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, but he lost his shit. Gotta hold my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby, baby, heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta give the most in the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your baby. You don't care. I'm trying to read the news since this is urgent. Makes such a little change to me, a war in my mind. Let go, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will bring up in front of me. I don't miss no texts, they choose not to respond. I don't regret, just pretend it should never happen. Half of us lay in place that our youth is in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth and it's in the present now. cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of little change. Let me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me.
You thought I was feeling you? Yeah, nigga, a munch. Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? Yeah, nigga, a munch. Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. Bitch, stay bad, let's keep it a beam. Don't be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my switch, but it's not what he seen. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fuckin' with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that on me. Baddest bitch, now you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that this bitch is my mini-me's. Keep with the sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. Thumb in the check, bloating me. You thought I was feeling you? Yeah, nigga, a munch. Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? Yeah, nigga, a munch. Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. Bitch, on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring, cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought.
Right now, so I'm done. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So pretty. This hair is a 10 out of a 10. 10 out of a 10. Easy to install. It only took me about 15-20 minutes. Well, 20-25 because I had to curl it. But other than that, y'all, this hair is so pretty. Stepping out my comfort zone once again. This will be down in the description box. This hair is a 10 out of 10. Please get it. Stop what you're doing. Go to my description box. Click that link and buy this wig as well. But yeah, y'all, so that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I am out because, yeah. So thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.